Hey friends, in this video I will give you 3 tips for applying for your first job. Welcome back to my channel, I'm Maxi and I help you being successful as a student. Tip number 1, networking with peers. Networking is always beneficial when looking for a job. So let everyone around you know that you are actively looking for a job. This can of course also be done via your LinkedIn profile, as friends, family or other students may have connections to family-run businesses, and any connection increases your chance of getting this job significantly. Number 2, consider a job for the experience. A first job may not be exactly what you want, but can offer valuable experience that you can use later. You may be exposed to a variety of situations that will help you to learn new skills or sharpen old ones. This then can also lead to advanced positions that may come closer to what you initially wanted. Tip number 3, beat your competition. Experts agree that beating your competition comes down to information. So what you know about the job and the company. But even more important is that you show that you have this extra knowledge. To do that, you have to be prepared for the interview with organized information, good questions, and attention to detail. I hope these 3 tips will help you getting a great first job as a student. If you like this video, you might also want to check out my video about the job interview success framework, which will help you to succeed in job interviews. This one will be linked up here as well as in the video description. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.